If you like cats, please stay to the end. Please tell me, why did he fall? It was 10:30. I had just finished my shopping on a lovely, rainy June morning in Japan. Driving out of the parking building, I came to the intersection where the accident happened. Just up here. I looked right and stopped at the stop sign and waited for traffic to pass. That's when he came riding by. What just happened? It didn't look like he was going that fast. So why did he fall? Was it the rain? Was he going too fast? I hope he's okay. I parked my car to block traffic coming down the hill behind me. I put on my hazards to warn other drivers, and I jumped out to see if he was alright. It all happened so fast, I wasn't really sure what to do. What would you have done in this situation? Before long, many trucks and cars started to approach the intersection, so we had to move. He was definitely shaken up, had some scrapes on his arm and most likely some bruises, but otherwise seemed to be okay. I asked him in Japanese if he wanted to go to the hospital, but he said he was fine. So it was time for me to go back to my car and stop blocking traffic. If you're riding in the rain, please take extra care. That's me, Jessie, running in the rain to get back to my car to see my cats. Isn't she precious? The black and white one is Ushi, she's the outside cat. All rescued cats that now live with me. Or do I live with them? It's hard to tell sometimes. The black one is Luca, he's an inside cat. And the white one too, Shiro. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave them down in the comment section. And have yourself a great day. See you on the next one. Thank you.